Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today this is CN Honor on the screen. You're watching CN Great Counsels and Forex Trade, and this is what I want you guys to do. I want you to stick to this video, watch this video till the very end, right? Because you have a whole lot to learn, right? This is partly the strategy I posted the other day. As you can see, is a live account now, and I always tell you guys, you combine a whole lot of things to trade, right? You don't trade only with one thing. Now you can decide to trade with indicators, right? But at the same time, you're also combining a whole lot of other things, including price action and all that, to maximize your chances of winning, right? So as you can see, this is boom 300 on 5 minutes time frame. The condition for that strategy, you can actually use the strategy using the third zoom level. As you can see, the condition was met here. Look at the calibration, and of course there is also a kind of alignment on other time frame, but I combine this trend line as you see now. Okay, the trend line I just showed you, right? And then take a look at it. I discovered that the market was behaving somehow around that place, respecting that trend line. That's the second touch he's making on that trend line. Now I saw that, and I also saw the condition for that strategy I posted last that met on lower time frame, the 5 minutes time frame and the 1 minute time frame at zoom level 3. Now if you are trading that strategy using zoom level 3, then you need to use other confirmations to take your entry, just like this trend line is being respected now, right? So that's exactly what I saw. And actually I recorded this. I'm recording this right inside the banking hall, right? And at my own comfort, right? So I've demonstrated time without number on this channel. Your account size doesn't matter. All you need to do is to know the how. Take a look at this. This is a real account, and I've not traded anything on this account, this particular account today, right? So sometimes some people feel we just execute trade and then we close part and leaving a smaller equity running. No, this is a small account, and I'm going to show you the target. The mission is to triple this account, at least triple it on this one trade. This is a real account. As you can see, I can triple this account. I'm going to pause and come back. Okay, all right, we're back again, and I'm still on it. I've actually taken time to set my stop loss, right? But I'm going to be recording and pausing and recording and pausing because I'm in a banking hall, and I've made the analysis using two good ways. Now I'll just set my stop loss there because this market has actually passed below where I am looking at, which is it has passed below the second, the down line of the Bollinger Bands, right? Now that's why I said the stop loss above that down line, so that if the market breaks and hit my stop loss, then I will know that, of course, if it breaks the first line of the Bollinger Band, it's going to retest the middle line, so that if my stop loss is hit, I will know that the market is going against me. Take note that if the market is crossing, it has to also cross that first lower line of the Bollinger Band. But the condition met, as I told you. Okay, now there are many things we combine. Okay, there was an alignment there on 5 minutes time frame using this zoom level 3, and there was an alignment on 1 minute time frame. Now let me just show you what I mean. This is what I mean. Take a look at that upper line of the Bollinger Band where I'm placing that horizontal line now. That's 5 minutes time frame. Let's switch to 1 minute. You can see there was an alignment. Look at the price calibration. It is the third one. Okay, at this zoom level 3, right? You can always explore my strategy. Take a look at it. 5 minutes time frame, right? As you can see, the condition met there, and it was on that trend line giving me a confluence. 1 minute time frame, the condition met there at that zoom level 3, and it's also on that trend line giving me a confluence as well. And that's why I took the trade. Take note that I say if you are using zoom level 3 for this strategy, you are going to be using some other means to confirm or have a kind of confluence, which is trend line. And as you can see, the market is behaving this way and is coming down on 15 minutes time frame to retest that particular down I mean the down line of the Bollinger Band, right? Yes, as it has crossed the middle line, it's coming to test it on 15-minute time frame and possibly go to that level, the last the verified support and resistance zone. Those are the things I looked out for, and then I decided to take this trade and to stick to this trade, right? So this is how we trade. This trend line is being respected and is most likely market is going to go that way, right? This way now, okay, making a lower low and then coming up to make a lower high at that point. Okay, this is my analysis, and that's exactly what I'm expecting the market to behave, how I'm expecting the market to behave. And that's why I decided to take the trade and to still not just taking the trade, sticking to the trade till this point. Right now, let's just check other time frame. Okay, let's do more of analysis and see how the trade will go. Right now, take a look at this point, take a look at that point. Okay, now that's where I'm going to set my stop loss. Right, if the market goes down further, leaving that verified support and resistance zone, I'm going to set my stop loss there. Okay, now if you look at this account is doubled already, right? This is $6 account right inside the banking hall. So I'm going to pause this video and then I will still come back to continue. I'll do more further analysis, right? Okay, welcome back, guys. And this trade is still on. We are still on. We are still moving. And I decided to also set my stop loss right there. Remember, I said when the market has gone down below that support, I'm going to set my stop loss there. And that's exactly what I've done. And while I pause the video. Now, if this market should come back to hit that point now, remember I said this is a verified support and resistance zone. Take a look at it. If it comes back to hit that point now, and my stop loss is hit, then I will know the market is going bad already, it's going against me, and then I will take a bet. Right now, this trade can never be in loss because I'm using a trailing stop loss to secure my profit. Now this market, I'm expecting to go down. It may not really get to that point, but in as much as it has crossed this Bollinger Band lines, okay, I'm expecting it to push down at least to that, to make a lower low and then go up to make a lower high. And that is the movement I'm expecting this market to make now, right? But then as it's coming down to test that line, the last line, okay, the down line of the Bollinger Band. That's why I set my stop loss as soon as the market crossed that point. Now, there is no more loss for this particular trade right now. I'm not going to have any loss because it's locked already with my trailing stop loss. I'm going to be having profit. Even if my stop loss is hit now, it can never put me into loss of any kind. And this is exactly where I'm expecting the market to go. But if it hits, fine, I'm not going to be having any form of loss again. So I'll keep recording and pausing. Like I said earlier, take a look. This account is here already, so I'll pause, and then of course I'm also going to check other time frame before I do that now. Okay, this is 4 hours time frame, and I'm looking at this market coming at least to the low, all-time low on this 4 hours time frame that it has made. Now let's see this account again. It's still ongoing and we're still in profit. And take a look at, there is no trade taken on this particular account for today, and that's why I decided, you can see this is the history, no close trade, no running trade, no profit made already. That's why I am recording this, so that you see that your account doesn't matter. You can flip any form of account. All you need to know is the how, right? It's just the how that you need to know, and that how is what we have been dishing out on this channel, right? So I'm going to be setting my stop loss at that point. I just put that cross now if the market pushes down further, because this is the point that I'm talking about. Okay, this is the point I'm talking about, right? And why would I do that? It is simple, very, very simple. Let me put the horizontal line there first, because that's where I'm going to set the stop loss. I'm going to be setting the stop loss there because if price, okay, if price try to go up bullish and hit that point, now I will know that the market is going against me, because let me set it first. Let me try to set it first. Okay, let me set the stop loss first and foremost. All right, I just copied it, and then I'll head over to the trade session, and then I will paste it there, and then I will click okay, paste, and I will click on modify, right? So that's the stop loss that I just placed there. Now I will pause and come back, okay, before I will give some other analysis on how I did it that way, right? Okay, we are back, and the market actually spiked around that place, and that's exactly what I was trying to explain. Right now, why did I put that stop loss? I know if you see 1 minute time frame now, if this market should spike, continue spiking, now it's going to cross that first Bollinger Band, okay, the line, and then as it crosses it, it's going to retest the second line. Right now, that's why I decided to, by then that second line would have curved if it continues spiking. Okay, this second line would have curved if it continues spiking, and this place that I said the stop loss will be above it, so that if it crosses it and hit it, I will know that it has retested the first line and then is heading to cross the second line. If it's hit, then I will take it that way. This account is almost tripled, right? Remember I told you that the target is to triple this account, or even times 4 of it. Okay, now if this market pushes down below this point, I'm going to set my stop loss here, right? I'm going to set my stop loss there. If it pushes down, I'm going to set my stop loss above that small spike that you just saw, that flu spike, right? Right now is exactly 3 times, okay, the balance. All right, now it is a mission accomplished already. It's a mission fulfilled, but we're still going to be on the market for a while. Okay, let's know if we can times 4 of it, if you can make times 4 profit of that account size. So if you are getting values on this video already, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and then if you are new, subscribe to my channel, and then let's take you on a ride, right? So I'm going to pause this video, and then I'll come back when this account is 4 times, okay, the balance. I'll come back, and then I'll round up, right? All right, welcome back, guys. We are back, and this is still moving. Okay, I don't know if you've gotten any value in this video, but take note that I combined 2 things. Okay, combined 2 things. This account is already times 4 of what I started, right? And this video is getting long already, so please, I'll be talking to you in my next video, and expect more great strategies on this channel. This is CN Great Can signing out.